Assalamu alaikum. This is Sister Catherine. I am going to help you with your Google Classroom. This video I meant to do a long time ago, so I do apologize for not getting this done sooner. On Google Classroom, if you go into Google Classroom, I'm going to come all the way out so you can see me go back in again. All right, going to leave it so you can see me start from scratch. So I go into my, I'm going to take everything down. I go into my Classroom real quick. Then, I go into my Gmail, okay? So, shut all that down. My goodness. Got a lot going on. So, first things first, you go into your Gmail. You open up in your Google Chrome. I go into my Gmail account. Okay, that's my first step. Once I get into Gmail, I go look into the top right, and I will see 9 dots. It says Google Apps. Once I click on the 9 dots, I scroll down and I get to the classroom. Okay? Now, once I'm in the classroom, I go to Jackson New World Academy. I have many. I have a bunch of classes at the same time. And you go up here. Now, here you can do so many wonderful things. On stream, you can just make a general announcement. Once you click on, let me come out of there. Once you click on announce something to your class, you'll see you can announce to all students. If you click on all students, you can even select the students you want to talk to. I usually remove Nabila and Shahid because I don't want them to get this message. And then I'll do it that way. Okay? But right now, you can do it like that. So I'm hit done because I don't want to announce anything. Put it right here and you can announce to them. Now, if you want to create classwork, you go to classwork. It'll take me to classwork. You want to make an announcement or you want to make an assignment, you go to create, assignment. You'll get the title of the assignment here. You'll put the instructions for the assignment here. You can create an assignment right here on the spot. So I'm going to do one for you. I'm going to say this is for my class, Supreme Science. We're going to say conversion to the metric system. Okay? So down here we're like students, convert English standard to SSI or the metric system. Now if I want, I can upload some worksheet that I found on the internet. Hit upload right here. And when you upload, it'll look like that. And you just browse what you saved on your computer and put it up there. Or you can create something, right? You can go to YouTube, you can put a link up there. You can put something from Google Drive up there. You can link a link you already have. You can already copy and paste it from some other website, put there. Or you can create it right there on the spot. Sometimes I'll create quizzes. Okay? If I create a quiz, I go to Forms. And it'll take me to Google Forms. And I can say whatever I want here, make a form. And then once I've done that, I can go into my settings on this and make it a quiz. Okay? So I can go and create one. And once I go create one, I can go to this settings, Once I create everything, I go to settings and say make this a quiz. And when it makes this a quiz, it says immediately after, you can say missed questions, correct answers. You can do whatever you want right there. Question form. You can play around with this if you like. Okay? So let me come out of that. I'm not really creating anything, so I'm going to X out of that. And this is conversion. So I can go and assign it to the students that I want. Make sure it's Jackson New World Academy up there. And then I can choose the student I want to send it to right here. Please uncheck Nabila and Shahid until they register because that's going to affect your grade average. Okay, so please make sure you uncheck Nabila and Shahid and Sister Demetrius. I'm not sure how she became a student. So make sure you uncheck them because once it goes to them and they don't do it, it's going to be a missing assignment and it's going to affect your grade average for your class. Okay, so once I'm done with that, of which students I want to do it, I make sure that on the topic, I choose my class. You see? I choose my class over here. And my class is Supreme Court Science. So I make sure I choose that, and that way it goes under my class grade score. And then I give my points right here, put my due date right here. You can even put a time. Once you put a due date in there, the time will pop up. You can say what time you want it uploaded, because they'll do it from home. And that'll make your life a lot easier, because you can grade it right here on the screen and insert their grades. They can see, and you can also give feedback right up on their grades for each individual student. And it goes privately to that student. It does not go to all students. Okay? So I'm not going to make an assignment. And once you do all of that, make sure you hit right here, assign. Okay? Make sure you hit assign. Otherwise, nothing happened. Okay? Now, let's come out of there. And that's your Google Classroom. Once you've gotten out in this screen, you can go to people. Now, what if you want to email each student? You can email them all together. You can email parents. Look at Sister Crystal right here. Hit view all. Now, if you notice, these are the people that accepted the invitation, but these are the people who have not. So Brother Shantae needs to accept his invitation. Brother Abram, Sister Deborah, Sister Danita, Sister Karima has. She just has a different email. Sister Alita needs to do it, and Sister Sabura needs to do it so that she can put grades in her grade book. Otherwise, it can't do that. Now here, I don't know how Sister Demetrius got the students, but she's there. You can email each one of your students individually, one at a time, by going here to the 3 dots on the right, or you can bulk email all of them at the same time. Or you can just email all except the ones you don't want to. And right here under actions, you'll see email students. Okay? Inshallah. Now, go to grades. Here we go. If you go to grades, you can go down here. Once you hover over the thing you see right there, you can put the grade in because you assigned it to those people. And once you hover, that means that this person, I'm not sure why Giannis is sticking out like that. But once you hover over it, you can see. You can also see all of their grades, what they hadn't been assigned. Some of them have assignments, some of them do not. I need to figure out why that says not assigned, because it should say assigned. And so you'll see exactly what grades they have and what they don't have. As you put as we put more lessons in here from all the classes, this will get very, very big. And then you'll see their class average, okay? So that is how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions. I pray a lot of this has been enlightening for you. If you have any questions or concerns, you let me know. Assalamu alaikum.